Yeah. So basically, I found. Oh, sorry. I got 2 calves from. You guys have already seen the first episode. The jungle just over there. I made a wheat farm. I made a sugarcane farm, which is right there. I've got a fire, which I just modded in some netherrack to do because that's the only way I can do it. Well, to have it keep going. And I made this. And I kind of fixed it up. But what we're gonna go do today is make it's called a mob grinder. That's right. We need 2 buckets. Oh yeah, and you're probably wondering why do I have a skeleton farm? Well, that's the thing we're gonna use. Sorry, that's the thing that is gonna be in the mob grinder. And that's enough. Well, let's just go. Let's go fill all these buckets up. Yeah, so we've got the wheat farm right here. So, yeah. And if you're wondering how I got the pork chop, I found some boars actually, which is in Nemo creatures, which I don't have on right now. But I will in the next episode. Not episode. So as you guys probably already know, I already got this little place. And I think I should actually take it off from Moody. I will put it on just 50, just so you guys can see. And I'm on a texture pack, which is LD Realism pack. Oh yeah, and I found another mine, which is this one right here. There's some lava, and I haven't explored all of it yet. So we're gonna go do that if we still have time after making the mob grinder. I'm probably wondering what I'm doing. I'm making my progress on making the mob grinder. Because this is how I do my kind of mob grinders. I do it 5 wide, so it's easy. First thing, we're going to destroy that. We're going to get that. So it's going to go right there. lost the cone. For a second, I had no idea. Oh my god, what's in that? Oh my god. Right there. I don't need that. And this is how I will make my progress on this spawner of this grinder. Okay. Alright. Move this back. Move it back to there. Alright. Okay. Seem to be coming towards me. Damn it, shit. Wait, is it? No. Yeah. It's not going as intended. It. Oh, cool. Oh, there we go. I think that means that. Wait, I'll put the string in this chest. And then, only two. Shit. The best sword I could make is stone, isn't it? Yeah. I was about to say I don't have any sticks. But it's strange I wouldn't even be able to make. Wait, but I had wood, so everything okay. I'll make that mob grinder better, and you'll see it better in the next episode. But right now I'm gonna go explore the other mine. and I'll be back when I get there. Okay, and I am at the mine. Oh my god. Nope, that's not it. I'll go this way. It says level earth, one of my choices. Yeah, I've already done a work. Oh wait, no, I have to do some. Well, down here, that's gold. That's iron. Wait, can I just smelt it on it? Yeah. I think I might actually end the video about here. Oh my god, we have so much going to do. I've not seen enemies besides skeletons. And zombies if you count the mob tunnel. If I actually found diamonds. Just use this to quickly fly. Just use this to quickly get up. Yep. Let me. Ugh. So we have got some serious exploring to do, and I just saw a creeper. Just, no, and I just heard a zombie. On my throat. Okay guys, well I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.